Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Because Afibia and Yebenya $113 million. According to Omampenye Kufuado. In 5 years, we will get more than $500 million now. Almost your Moko Akopeno London Stock Exchange. You know. And he said, yeah, 5 years, you bet me $500 million there. And then you the sad gold royalties will be 15 years and over. Or mine na ubona po. So the valuation is not right. Or mine beboka omubo don't come in no mafa. Adakabre. The air power same way munis apart from so much you gold royalties bonus on. Company bay na what they royalties ni question is as on her so magana. We see your friend as I say royalties.
Ani e de chassis.
December 2019 and the chassis. As I say royalties that you won't you. Ave dumra ya de asase royalties no ekwamra hye bedwam ni akwa approve a 10th August 2020 ya Omampenye Kufuado se masesa asase royalties din ma yen Ejapa royalties say we de emu erem company ukosese din na ye de na asinti a ukwa akosesa company ni di won say na nse ya what radio station bi abakrum ha your friend asase FM asase radio that radio station
no be ankoreti no woti amaninti
that radio station no eye Omampenye Kufuado me de information chese ye ne dia but ne wo fa ase ga bi se eye onu mum na ye ne dia nya ne wo fa dia to de ye fa ne se ye Omampenye Kufuado wo fa ase dia enti omode kom na shebedwo no nka se ye kokaka se company ye behwe ye gold royalties yisui ye friend asase royalties a amanfo beka se and ya na ye share because you could be a radio station here who DB and fast as radio. And unti ye best said dinner be Japa. Company no one be ye chief executive officer or be Ghana ye gold royalties na ye koton obe so. You see a friend Kofi Bosompem Osafomafo. Adaka break asem ni yo. You see Kofi Bosompem Osafomafo ya senior minister ye Raya Osafomafo de bapenyi ya. Omo say ah ne bana. You see hey na Ghana nipa bebrebe we hey mo ton ye gold royalties ama company bia di obekwa akohwe so no because on say ye the royalties ni nyina ma company e friend Ejapa royalties na ya ton mu 49% 51% no sell ebe wo mine no enti di obehwe sa company ne so no mo enye obi ase mo family and friends ya wasafoma for yo Omampenye Kufuado chocho mucho ne ba ene nkohwe so omo say oh you qualified o ko school kra no Deputy Minister of Finance on the cool school Achimota, no defense or class. Ye ko cheke yeso a wo adubu ahe. Na Kofi Bosompem Osafoma for you senior be 5 years. Enye on the call class. Okay, no wa ben po a. Say enye on nkwa na aben. No defense wa Achimota, no bisu defense wa Presec. No bisu defense wa Prempe Anamagere meboa. Eno nti no. Say adwuma akonwa beto a de ye ne say ye adverts. Na obi a oye qualified or pay adwuma ni bia no wa try application ba ni akọ interview ya hwe obi a CV de wa ben a osefata se ye de adwuma ne ma no ni ye de adwuma na ma no adaka bre nya sa na ye ne da ni tefem ha se vacancy ba enya sa na fada dex be ye no wotena dem ka se me adaka bre me na me host wa ma ye adwuma ya chenti no me wo fa ase bra na be ye executive producer wi a wa fa we sa na ye no ye nya ne sa Ghana gold royalties enya Omampenye Kufuado wajapade na wache hu positions ewa abusuafie e de ama wonamfo ne wo faase no inti Kofi Bosompem Osafomafo ne yebisa se omo nkyere ye se kwan be ne ye fa so di chusu no oye interview wen onefo ne preye bisi na omuntu mi nkyere ye omo bo opo no ejabone bo opo no se o de gold royalties ebe man ne nkrofo na busuanfo no and I say, hey, Osafoma for waso mi ache. Obano, Brano no so emergency chief executive officer. Na ye wie ya say lawyer for ben na ebe ye Ejapa royalties no won hyehyeye. Lawyer for ben na ebe ye ho adwuma. E je ko ntie mi ye pa o. Mo hwe law chambers bebrebe egu krom ha. Omampenye Kufuado antimi anchusu law chamber bia se African Legal Association. Eye ne wo faase ye Gabi Okyere akodia. Gabi Okyere akọ ne ne yere na Adwoa Hackman. Omo japade omo law firm no. Law firm is you be nansia yo. Nansia ne be law firm bi. Nansenya anya law firm bi we experience bia. Gabi owie law school da ben nansi ya no owie law school ye law chambers bebrebe wo Ghana nyina ya anye advert say ye pe law firms amoma ba be render legal services ya go through public procurement law ya anye tender bia omampenye Akufo-Addo Ejabone watena fie say oh say me the chief executive officer no am osafoma for dia ene the adwuma lawyer for be ye no me de ma me wo fa ase Gabi ochida ko ne na yere chamber sika omoje no ye hwiwe mu kire say eburu $2 million Ghana ni utie mi atie mi o MPP ni kura tie mi ye say under this deal Gabi benya over 10 billion Ghana cedis the chamber sika omobeje no all cedis and you say Gabi firm no kwan ben so na afa so chusu ye u follow procurement law there be enti dia wo ye no ye nya ne sa se bi wo so wabusu ani kura betimi ni aman ye business follow the procurement law follow due process na so no na be we ni fine na won tena da mu nkuku na de twa ye nsuru mu kura ye ka se deal ye Ejabone deal enya japa deal ne se o man penye Akufo-Addo se ejapa royalties na ode ye royalties nyina ye kokoma no na wato mu 49% na 51% Ghana ahodu no na de obehwe so beye ya wasafoma afoba no eye senior minister ya wasafoma afo ne ba no ene directors a man penye Akufo-Addo be yi omo so omo hwe gold royalties ne so no like abreti asem we yi pa omo be ye adwuma afebo sa aban foforo bawu aban foforo amawu omo bo number wo omo mo number wo omo disika wo omo anisika wo Ghana aban bia ni wa wo omo sutumi a obetimi ayi omadi
agreement in agusu cheche.
yes
as a in perpetuity no ase no
yes when the kwanya in perpetuity no we an insulation of the directors and chief executive officers of the company.
It is a security of 10 1.
Yes. And security of 10 1 is a Bank of Ghana cry man the security of 10 year 4 years emre so. We mu de no. E ya febo. Say omo ya boni o ma anya boni o aban ntumi nka. Ade na ma ya nhihye ye we a. Omo si o ye mpese aban de ne ho be fore. Company no nhihye ye. Me say what be that? Ghana Commercial Bank say aban wo shares o. Goel aban wo shares wo. Omampenye Akufo-Addo baye wasesa MD of Goel, wasesa MD of Bost, wasesa MD of Ghana Commercial Bank. Aban companies nyina wasesa MDs any board of directors. Adie nkwa na we Japan muntia. Mo se de oba beye chief executive officer or Osafoma afoba. Any mpanyufo omampenye Akufo-Addo ba be pa omo no. Aban bia ni omusu tumi ya obetimi dia yi omadi. Omu ye adwuma ni yi o ma anye ni yi o. Omu disika o ma anye o. Ye Ghana for ye wo 51% shares in that company. Royalties 49% share na ye koto no kra ye dia no. Ye ni omusu tumi adakabra wo ye lawyer ni. You are my senior adeba. What is our principle we be that in company law? This is unheard of. Ask any lawyer. Because shareholders must always have authority over directors. Company ye peni ura ye shareholder. Ono na ye lefty veil the company no kwa kobo kana be ya asem ono na betua. Enti Ghana ye royalties ye de kwa major pay ye na company ni ye dia ye wo mu 51% shares. E ka ba ye na ye betua. Na wo say director no ye dwuma ye ni ma shareholder no. Wanye na dwuma yi a shareholder na company ni ye ne da ni timi nyina di. Na Ghana ye royalties ne omampenye Gabi ne law firm na wa create no. Ono say ene offer partners a no we founding partner and as oji people or what na people no be disika ompa mo no omampenye Akufo-Addo no ate private company as I see say we board Gabi na ye board chairman or chief executive officer of Asase Radio the chief executive officer di disika Gabi ompa mo no no aba be ka say wo de Osafoma for buy ba be hwe Ghana gold royalties ko pemi so be wu odisika o wani sika ban bia ntimi mpamo no Ghana ya mojapade. And you have people defending this. Me say obi a wonya me mobo say MPP for mu defend this ade we. Me TBB you say ya bo abia samwa ya press conference and say mo mu bisa na wo question. Oda me nim say ya pa. Ye bisa me hu social media be me
Mungo bisa
mo ya bo abia samwa so defend. O ye so cancer ade na o ye nyansani.
Na wankasa so
na sika o mo je no be ma no. Efie back, Mr. MPP for are not benefiting from these things. One household, I was telling NDC for say masa mamon can say achim for na benefit. Who told you that achim for na benefit from these things? Achim your mind kakraka o. Omanpenya Kufuado ni krom chebi mpo na nye chebi fo nyina na benefit. Me say one household abusua ba akope. And that is why MPP people are saying, even their communication director say, wait there, a bon mean defended. And I got fair not to change. Yes, say, Sikana, Mokwa Tongi a gold royalties 49% aquagen. And this is $500 million. The mobile tompo was $1.7 billion. But there's no problem. Moko ton no $500 million. Dien pan na modebeye. Akabe se utie. Dien na modebeye. O man ni benya so mfaso na ebiaka nchirima. Ibisa omo anu mutiti omutiri ho. Yese mo de budget breye for 2020, mo de presenting in December 2019. Mo kan dia mo de say sika na be yewum, ye ko wiwe mu adaka bre nim. Yese okay na nsen mo de media budget review so bae. Budget eno na eya ambae na ko huma bosika. Impuntu nyuma aban pese o ye bia no. Enu mu na wo se okuchire digu. Enti mo media budget review ya July ya mo de ba parliament no. Eno nso match ready $500 million mo de be ya na eno so enim. Afa no mo be ka kire say oh ye de besi school ni hospital. Yes hey. We be see us work out share ma. What the kind of Eurobond $5 billion. What the box site sia wo wa age husika. Get fan what the sia wo age husika. Bubruja same esla. Dia na wo de aye. Ghana so no. The wo kwa kwaji sika. E wo say wo budget mu no wa kire de o de be ye. Na pass the friend appropriations. Appropriations. Eno ye oshema o say sika parliament approve no. Se fa koye suku fa koye eno na faye. Eni budget ni mu. Nti se moji sika na mo de koye mo 2020 campaign. Ana mo de mo se sika no on consumption. Dia na de be ye. Dia na ye betimi ayamo. Ye ntimi nya mo hwe mo di ne kwa. Ena daga bre no we bisa question bi a. In fact one mama hu di nti a ye frɛ wadaka bre no. Ubisa se na sika ya mo kwa kwaji. Maton fence afa ho. Ye frɛ no ring fencing. Ai kire se we di amoji a. Ye de be yam puntu nyuma ma ye nyina ye nya so mfaso obi minister bi finance minister antimi mfa nkoya de foforo because pempi no ye timi koje bosia se ye de baba be ABCD ye beba na ye de akwa koye YZ meboa. That is why you ask that question. Omunye bibia sa nti mo be ton gold royalties a e da ho man chiri be nyina afebo na dia mo de be ya ye nim monto ho ban bia so a ye be hu se sika ne be kwakoya de pa. Nana kabre ade foforo wo mu a ebura adwe ne ntiase so eye me ya say President Akufo-Addo lawyer ni mapa me call law school anya hwe kra na me kan to 4 verses attorney general ede papa na me nim say at least only lawyer Chachuchi Kata were the lawyers in that case enti sebi oya lawyer ni pa wo ni mumra baby a wadru so Mimi free say, I was all right. The Odibeja nchirima. Nanti lawyer ni power your man penny who approve we Japan royalties agreement we are. Adakabre. Emre biana so. What be that? Say me de me gold royalties. Me ni obi sign grant say. Me de me gold royalties nyina 100% no. Me de be mano. Na wakoton mu 49%. Oton wa mfa sika na ma me na mindi. 51% no omo behwe so ama me a besa agreement ami ye eni awie emre bia na so what be that say we call law school ni e kire contract law ye kire the 5 essential elements of contract no na man ye binding offer acceptance consideration intention to create legal relations we are ye san so kire the features of a contract adagabre meboa and the features of a contract ba ko a duration every agreement as much as possible. Best practices shall say was a word duration, especially when you are dealing with leases. And in no more once as simple no so mu lease as no more the mrato so yes 99 years. As soon now person will renew no why we renew. What you gold royalties would they make Japan for forever and ever. Adakabre, even in law,
a Japan for no money here for.
A Japan for no. any company na omampenya Kufuor ate a oye na asase royalties odi abe Japan Kofi Bosompe Mosafoma afo ne da no na de eba beto am no me ba be chirim the ansana me call no in law your friend principle be the principle against perpetuities adakabre wo de wo ye senior me bo aka se me bo the principle against perpetuities in law kire say me ne wo na ye agreement a ma ye nya agreement a ye be wumpo no na agreement no is still in force agreement a wo ye no omo ti asemra na wo ye say agreement no eni say omo be wu achimpo na agreement so as much as possible eto de bia ye 10 years ne so kra na aka say subject to renewal na wo de ye gold royalties ko ma wo bi mre na so forever wo say ya de papa ye mo ye nsem ma na da ka do we bisa question ye me de pa wo say Japan for no ye hwan ya e company you register no as a it was supposed to be registered as a state-owned company. Government of Ghana ebe 100% shares. Na ye 100% shares no. Na ya kwa koton 49. Na be both private owned 49% and government 51%. But ye registered as in December 2019 ye registered as a private company. And you see ya in Japan. And o maka chrem Rashid Bedwafo say government of Ghana currently e 100%. And I am Rashid Bedwafo bi say almost say okay. Any word of mouth. Untimi for one of a company registration documents say government of Ghana is 100% shareholder no. Through the Minerals Income and Investment Fund no. Show it to us. And also so almost say confidential the chere mu enye yi. Nti avan chere Ghana bra she bedwafo.
It is a confidentiality clause to here Juma.
How? Article 181 clause 5 of the 1992 constitution ya mamra ya mra kunyina no ne yedi bu mra no a o mampenya Kufuor do wasai se o de be ye adwuma no ese the Ghana ya kwaje bosia bia yemfa the terms and conditions of the loan emna mra she bedwam adaga bre meboa sikeya ajapa kwa kwaje $500 million ya omubo donko bi fofufu kwa kwaje terms and conditions ne ewo hemfa the terms and conditions will be contained in Krata, your friend of prospectus. Prospectus
no issue IPO na.
Yes, you could issue IPO na. We have prospectus. Prospectus on the betchere. Sikana wo kwa je no kran ehoka. Mageri utie mi ye. The chere ne say.
And you say wo lecture yen.
We say dem ha de. Munyina co-host e de keka. The edin ko mama na ye. The chere ne say. Agent obeji fees. Broker, beji brokerage fees. Your arrangement fees. Need ya keka. When you call London Stock Exchange na sikano where easy. You will engage the services of lawyers. So beji legal fees, auditors, ya beji auditing fees, brokerage fees, agency fees. And so waiting ya range $500 million. No, the $500 million no be we kura na be move $50 million. Eh hoka. Enti was say no na wo de mamra she bedwafo. E won na terms and conditions ni nyina wansa na ya approve. Ni yanwu se $500 million na ye kwa ko raise no ye bebo ho kataku anasempo a eno so o mampenya Kufuor do so mfa mamra she bedwafo ne mfa mo kyera na wonya nwie ye ene ye se na wonya nya prospectus ni nwie ye de a ene ye mpepre hui ade na wo pepre wo ho adagabre agreements o mampenya Kufuor do de ko mra she bedwam na ye num o ka ni nyina bomu a ebro 140 pages enso ma mra she bedwafo simaduasa pe 30 minutes. So I'm fan kind 140 page document. I'm approve.
4 hours and 30 minutes.
We di kan 30 minutes. And your ranking member, Kesil Ato Forsen, baby will be a mechiano.
What's this one? Sorry.
It's in this one. I'm sorry. Pemrashe baby of 4. Or more did you ma so more my gun or mine down Makoma so pa. Won't be in free. On the minority leader, no matter do some way, dear. Debbie. See about approval agreement 140 pages are 30 minutes per other. Momo somebody 2 years na draft here. 2 years with the draft agreement here 30 minutes. And your mama you been can when you say committee meeting no grandma so. Almost okay, I'm 4 hours. Tiadakabre. Sa documents be beni nyina de ma parliament only 4 hours. O mampanyi Kufuor so twen ya e da parliament be sori no de bae. Anaju tum parliament be sori.
Come Demkrofo, you so Demkrofo.
Yes. Parliament be sorry. You should see, Massa, we MPP Nuclear don't defend this because he can't hear mount. You should see, say, oh, mine no more body chrono. I didn't know we had the power to that parliament. Sorry. Now, what the Amamra said for 30 minutes. You know, press I was 4 hours. na wo omampenyi Gabi na sa say radio na wabie no ye board chairman no obe sign a 140-page agreement with another company no we reading for hours okọ law schools ani e kire no oh ye Ghana te say de Ghana na nye ye papa de nye ye maame de ntino ye se no ne yakọ adakabre. That is what pains me. But ubisa honest. They say you almost say a Japan royalties no a free as be Japan a Ghana they are 100% shares. Now fe no moko London Stock Exchange no mako ton mu 49%. And yes okay. Ye koyi ye wiwe mu an ye say company na your friend in Japan no. Ghana din that's wo. That's who ni baby you register no. You register no New Jersey. Island are your friend of Channel Islands. A tax haven. Abusuya say wutie me na want tax haven
New Jersey or America and a Jersey in Channel Islands or UK.
Me no New Jersey make a Jersey Channel Islands. The actually nyina ne say yaka tax haven na eye bia say wo adwuma wo na wo ye adwuma o tax na wutua no e wo fom pa de etua ne Ghana e wuntua bi enna yaka say company wo tax saving de chere say company no o mageri wuntimi sori anopa na oni producer oda me gagai monko frɛ company CEO say let me know the shareholders na mokra mokɔ anu age no meeting de ne see e ho sa transparency ne bi ni ho because the affairs of corporate entities in the tax haven are shrouded in secrecy. What is obi de the company akwose tax haven na on pese oba be mfifi mu ehu de ekoso offshore. Eno kra de ba mu na afi de aye kakra.
Ya na yet top bracket no yet tax no dodo. Enti to bia omo wo soro no onya £1 na atimu be say 60 pesos at the year tax into or person or do
ko ba bia obe dodge tax the friend tax avoidance now the tax no one cedi na so otua wetua be 10 pesos asibia no de akọ tax saving e ho no so no ne nyema mu na ho a wo ba be mfifi mu ahu enna the disadvantages associated with tax saving ba akọ ne say nipa bonefo ma wiawie sika e wa amman bebre so mo pe ba bi di sika na kosi a omo the core tax havens. And that is why a money laundering also in tax havens. You know? It is all your mind po. Now what are they? Incorporated companies in tax havens are most any blacklist over. Because tax havens money laundering will hopa. You see. Because of secrecy, a shrouded affairs of companies there.
More opaque, not
very opaque. Opaque no to adaka brofo kakraka. O kano wotwika semu ade kire ne se esum ye dan ewom kabi. Esum kabi. E je se hono esum asi dwadie ne yedi no o. Ye mpese nyem mbeda ho. Na wo Ghana ye gold royalties. O pese company bi behwe so ma yen. O kwa akoton a. Hefa na ode kwasha ode kwashe sumu.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.